All right, let's explore the profile of an expert who's really shaping modern manufacturing.
In factories today, data is the new raw material. And that creates a huge challenge.
So who's the person responsible for bridging that critical gap between the machinery and the mainframe?
Well, that would be someone like Julian Sanchez Mares, an IT leader specializing in Industry 4.0.
That's just a fancy term for the digital transformation of manufacturing, using IoT and AI.
His expertise is really built on a foundation of continuous learning, all the way up to 2 master's degrees. And check out these certifications. They really show his deep knowledge across critical IT and security domains.
His career shows a really clear progression, moving from coordinating systems to actually leading innovation.
Today, he's managing core manufacturing systems for Dentsply Sirona, a global leader in dental products.
Okay, so how does all this experience translate into real-world results? Let's take a look.
One of his biggest challenges? Designing a completely integrated system for a huge company, right from scratch.
His solution was a 3-step process to build and integrate a custom enterprise resource planning system.
Then, the company faced a really serious threat from the outside. They were hacked. So Julian led the recovery effort, implementing the globally recognized ISO 27001 security framework.
Okay, so what was the actual impact of all this on day-to-day operations? Let's see.
He totally transformed IT support, slashing the average time to solve any issue to just 25 minutes.
But his most impressive result? A massive, massive boost in production efficiency. I mean, huge. Now, what's amazing here is the sheer scale of this improvement. We're talking a huge jump.
So how did he pull this off? By combining smart methodologies with the right factory floor technology.
Looking ahead, his work is really focused on what's next for the entire industry.
And he's advancing his expertise even further with his current doctoral studies, always learning.
This really highlights a key takeaway. Experts like Julian are the architects of our industrial future.